With the new variants of COVID-19 appearing every next month, the struggle to bed and butter has become real. People are getting rid of their 9-to-5 jobs to get hands on a creative business that pays handsomely. Most creative professionals with creativity and innovation are counting on non-fungible tokens to turn their life all around. Before creating an NFT project, the planning part of the job is more necessary as it clears and paves the way to launch it successfully. Henceforth, a roadmap shall be presented to plan an impeccable NFT project to minimize future mistakes and blunders. Time to begin. Defining the concept for your NFT. The planning stage starts with the user trying to define the story of NFT. It means that if you find NFT as the most workable project at the moment, it is crucial to know what you're getting yourself into. The non-fungible tokens include drawing, music, stickers, memes, images, painting, games, different artworks, and popular tweets. Therefore, the most significant step towards an exceptional NFT project involves exploring different digital assets. It will help the creative professional understand the specifications of each NFT and then decide accordingly. Each NFT digital asset has a meaning and story behind it that makes it unique. For instance, in NFT games, the users are expected to buy tokens to improve their chances of winning. Similarly, the unique artworks are auctioned on NFT marketplaces to earn rewards and incentives. Conduct market research and ask yourself about the nature of the target audience, scope, and alignment with the current trends in marketplaces. Moreover, it is also important to ensure that your NFT project is bringing something new and distinctive to the table. Otherwise, what would be the point, right? You should also consider reviewing the long-term viability of the project and if it can support you workably. Researching other NFT collections. As mentioned above, NFT projects are supposed to be unique so people with open arms can welcome them. If you are into NFT projects to create plagiarized artwork, you might want to switch your profession before it's too late. The second phase in the NFT planning project is conducting market research on successful and famous NFT collections. It will help the beginners understand what they should be putting their efforts into. Knowing the market trends and target audience will surely go a long way in planning and launching the NFT project. A quick review of other NFT collections can also be used as an inspiration. The process plays a primary role in understanding organic and established ideas. For this very reason, allow us to introduce you to top NFT collections to lubricate the process. Bored Ape Yacht Club is a collection of more than 10,000 Bored Ape NFTs collectibles whose average sale is $75,107. The Sandbox is a UGC voxel platform considered to be community-driven. The average sale reached $15,169. CryptoPunks has more than 10,000 collectible characters with proof of ownership. As far as the average sale is concerned, it is $460,526. You can also check the infamous NFT collectibles to refine your idea and bring revolution to the lot. Now let us move on to the next phase in planning NFTs. Choosing an art style. The next step in planning the NFT project spins around choosing the art style that matches your workability and expertise in the field. After you have worked on the concept of the NFT project and reviewed multiple NFT collections, it is crucial to choose the category of art style. The category of art style includes illustrations, pixel arts, tickets, 3D paintings, and whatnot. The well-researched choice of any art style helps the artist simplify the process and decide the art style further. Additionally, another factor should be kept in mind before considering the art style in NFT. The creative professionals plan NFT projects to engage the audience and grab their attention. The style should match the audience's preferences, as they are the real game changers, don't you agree? If your art style fails to capture the attention of the respective clients and viewers, it might not end as a successful venture. Furthermore, the art style you picked has to be visually appealing so that it is hard to overlook it. The artist is expected to pick an art style that is unique and peculiar and defines the originality and ownership of the project. In short, the entry-level beginners are supposed to invest energy to bring new craft to the art style and stand the venture out of the crowd. Choosing a project name. An NFT project also achieves popularity and success with a catchy and attractive name. If your NFT project has a boring and mundane name, it won't get as much acceptance as expected. Therefore, if you have made up your mind to float in the ocean of NFT business, your priority should be crafting a unique and creative name. An innovative name distinguishes your project from others and builds trust for potential clients and investors. Moreover, the first impression is the last, and a good name is your first attempt at getting the audience at your side. The NFT project name should be personal as well as comprehensive, so that it moves the viewers completely and sends the message across. It wouldn't be wrong to claim choosing a project name as clickbait. A well-defined and distinctive name also helps in making it striking and emerging. Henceforth, it is important to research and invent a name that syncs with your art style, targeted audience, and personal touch. For the user's help, we have sketched out multiple names to get inspiration from and create magic extensively. Thunder NFT, Sphere Art, Artistic Alpha, Depressed Dragons, Koalas in Love. Defining project details. The last step is considered one of the most promising ways to conclude the planning phase in the NFT project. Most experts prefer to call this stage designing the technical aspect of the project. The artist is expected to define the project details, including pricing, distribution, and timeline. To determine the pricing of an NFT collection, creative professionals are suggested to check and evaluate the market. Evaluating the market trends and demand in the planning phase enables you to control any unforeseen circumstances in the merchandise better. The value of the NFT project highly depends on NFT marketplaces, such as OpenSea and Valuable. The review and assessment of market forces with supply and demand factors play a significant role in setting a suitable price for NFT digital assets. The next part in defining the project details is setting the timeline. A roadmap to the NFT project includes the time allotted for different activities in the loop. Furthermore, the practical timeline in the NFT project revolves around working on countdowns, hashtags, and giveaways. The process boosts the popularity of the game plan and improves the community engagement multifold. It is suggested to draw a chart and plan activities according to the timeline. It will highly enhance the artist's ability to perform better in case of unforeseen changes of events. As far as distribution of NFT items is concerned, some assets are kept for wide listening, while others are for general sale. The percentage of this distribution is set by the creative professional, including the section of charities and developers. Conclusion. Before getting into the NFT business, some aspects need to be considered. These steps improve the success chances of the NFT project and limit any casualties. Therefore, multiple steps were discussed in planning an NFT project. The beginners are expected to study them in detail to have desired results.